Locations impacted include Millersburg, Berlin, Walnut Creek, Cigar Creek, Dalton, Shreve, Kilbuck, Holmesville, Glenmont, Mount Eaton, Nashville, Winesburg, Farmerstown, Apple Creek, Baltic, Fredericksburg, Mount Hope, and Charm. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Holmes and Wayne,